Welcome back to English by Podcast.
Hi everyone, I'm happy to be here, and I am ready to learn today.
That is great, Daniel. Are you ready to start our new lesson?
Yes, Emily, I am ready, but sometimes I feel nervous to speak English.
Don't worry, Daniel. Today we will learn together, step by step.
That makes me feel better. I like learning like this.
Perfect. Let's start. Today we will talk about a daily routine.
Daily routine? I know a little. It is what we do every day, right?
Exactly. And we will use simple sentences to practice English.
Okay, I am ready. Let's go.
Good. Let's begin with the morning. What do you do when you wake up?
When I wake up, I usually feel sleepy. Sometimes I press the snooze button many times.
I know that feeling. I wake up early and drink my coffee first.
Coffee? I like coffee too, but I am slow in the morning.
That is okay. Everyone has their own pace in the morning.
What do you eat for breakfast, Emily?
I usually eat yogurt with fruit or sometimes eggs. It gives me energy for the day.
Eggs? I eat toast or a banana. It is simple but good.
That is very healthy too. And it is fast, which is perfect if you are late.
Yes, sometimes I am late. I need simple breakfast.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I take a shower. I like warm water. It wakes me up.
Great. I like a hot shower too. Then we choose clothes.
Choosing clothes is difficult. I have many shirts, but I always think I have nothing to wear.
I know this feeling. I organize my clothes by color.
That is smart. I should do that too.
Yes, it saves time and makes the morning easier.
Okay, clothes are ready. Now I go to work?
Yes, how do you go to work?
I take the bus. It is crowded, but I can listen to music or a podcast.
Very good. Music helps pass the time. I drive my car, but traffic is slow.
Oh yes, traffic is always slow. But I like to listen to English podcasts while I travel.
That is perfect. Listening is the first step to improve English.
Yes, I try to listen every day. Sometimes I repeat the sentences.
Excellent. Listening helps with pronunciation and understanding.
And reading? Should I read too?
Of course, reading is the second step. You can read short texts or simple books.
I like stories. They are interesting and I learn words.
Perfect. Reading and listening together help a lot.
Yes, I feel I understand more when I do both.
Now, after reading and listening, writing is very important.
Writing? I am not sure. What should I write?
You can write simple sentences about your day. For example, I wake up early. I eat breakfast.
Ah, that is easy. I can try that.
Good. Writing helps your brain remember new words and grammar.
Okay, I will write every day.
Excellent. And the last step is speaking.
Speaking is difficult. I am shy.
That is normal. Start by speaking simple sentences aloud.
Like saying, "Good morning, I drink coffee."
Exactly. You can also talk about your day. I take the bus. I listen to music.
Oh, I see. Step by step.
Step by step. That is the secret.
And if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are good. They help you learn faster.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Yes, learning is a process. Don't worry about perfection.
Okay, I will try every day.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about lunch. What do you eat at work?
I usually bring a sandwich from home. Sometimes I eat fruit too.
That is very organized. I sometimes buy lunch from a small cafe.
Oh, that is nice. I like to walk a little when I buy lunch.
Walking is healthy and good for English practice too.
I can talk to the cashier and practice speaking English.
Perfect. Speaking in real situations is very important.
Yes, I try to speak, even if I make mistakes.
That is the right attitude.
Okay, lunch done. Now, afternoon.
Afternoon can be sleepy. What do you do at 3 p.m.?
I sometimes drink green tea and eat an apple. It helps me stay awake.
Very good. Snacks are important for energy.
I eat cookies sometimes too.
Cookies are nice too.
After work, I go home. I feel tired but happy.
Same here. When I go home, I relax and enjoy quiet time.
Do you greet your pets at home?
Yes, my dog is very happy to see me.
I have a cat. She looks at me and says, meow.
Cats are the bosses of the house.
Yes, she is the boss.
After that, I change into comfortable clothes.
Me too. I like t-shirts and soft pants.
Dinner time. Do you cook?
Sometimes I cook simple food, pasta or eggs.
I like cooking. It relaxes me.
Cooking is stressful for me. I burn things sometimes.
Don't worry. Simple food is okay.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen a little.
Good. Then I sit on the sofa and relax.
I watch TV or sometimes read a book.
Reading is very helpful. You learn words and grammar naturally.
I try to read stories. They are easy and interesting.
Perfect. Then we go for a short walk with our pets.
Yes, walking at night is calm and quiet. I like it.
Stars are beautiful too.
I look at stars sometimes. It is relaxing.
Great. Finally, bedtime.
I go to bed at 11:30 p.m. I watch one more movie or read online.
I sleep earlier. I like mornings.
I feel tired in the morning.
That is okay. Everyone has a different routine.
Yes, my routine is slow, but I try to improve.
We talked about the whole day: morning, work, lunch, afternoon, evening.
Yes, it is very interesting to see your day and compare it with mine.
And our listeners? Do you see similarities with your day?
I think many listeners have the same routine.
That is why practicing English with daily routines is easy and fun.
I agree. I feel I can use simple sentences to talk about my day now.
Excellent. Remember, listening, reading, writing, and speaking.
Yes, those are the 4 steps. I will follow them every day.
Practice every day, step by step. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
I feel more confident now. I know I can improve slowly.
Good job, Daniel.
Thank you, Emily. Learning is fun with you.
We hope everyone listening enjoyed this lesson too.
Yes, thank you, listeners. Keep practicing English every day.
And don't forget to subscribe to English by Podcast if you like our lessons.
Yes, subscribe and click the like button. Share this lesson with your friends too. Yes, practice together and have fun.
Thank you for joining us today. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning English step by step.